You're watching how to activate Google Phone Caller ID announcement on Android. This feature uses Google Assistant to announce who's calling. First, ensure you have Google Assistant installed and your language is set to English, US, or other supported language. Open the phone app on your Android device. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll to find Caller ID announcement or spam and call screen. The exact name varies by phone model. Tap on it. You will see options like Always Announce, Announce only when using a headset, or Never Announce. Select Always Announce or your preferred option. This setting may also be in your Google Assistant settings. Open the Google app, tap your profile picture. Go to Settings, then Google Assistant. Tap You and scroll to Caller ID Announcements or Voice Match. Ensure Caller ID Announcements is toggled on. For some phones, the path is Settings, Apps, Default Apps, Digital Assistant app, Google. Then tap Settings next to Google and look for Caller ID Announcements. Once enabled, when you receive a call, Google Assistant will say the caller's name if it's in your contacts or identify it as possible spam or unknown caller. You can also train voice match so it only announces for you. The feature requires an internet connection for Assistant to work. If you don't see the option, your device or region may not support it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.